Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco sloppy joes. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my preheated skillet here, and I'm going to put in roughly 2 pounds of ground beef. Now my ground beef is still a little frozen, so we're going to put it in there frozen and it will thaw as it fries. We're going to brown this up, and there's going to be excess grease, so I'll just drain that off of there. I'm going to go ahead and get my ground beef in here. Turn my heat down just a little bit, guys. And I also have 1 onion I diced up. That's going to go in. Now, like I said, I'm going to brown this up, and then when it's done browning, I'll drain off the excess grease, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my ground beef is browned up and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in 2 packs of taco seasoning. You can also do the low sodium if you're watching your salt intake. And guys, it's going to be a real quick, easy, but delicious meal. And it's very kid friendly, so you don't have to worry about that with the little ones. Alright, now I have my taco seasoning, and I'm going to give that a mix quick to get that mixed together. And I have my heat down on low. Okay, now I'm going to add in a cup of chunky salsa. This is mild. You could also use the hot salsa if you like it. And I'm going to put about a cup of water, and I'm going to use a salsa jar. I'm going to stir that all together. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes till some of that water cooks down, reduces, and the flavor cooks through the ground beef. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Now I have a hamburger roller. I'm going to put a slice of extra sharp cheddar cheese on there. Get some of our sloppy joe. And guys, you can fix these up any way you like. I'm going to add on, I'll put some jalapeno on first because I like mine a little spicy. Some shredded lettuce. And I diced up some tomato, just like you put on your tacos. You can also use sliced tomato if you like. And a little bit of taco sauce. And you just go ahead and you put your top on there. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now, you probably want to eat this with a fork, but you can also eat it like this. It's really good, guys. Tastes like a taco. You have the texture of a taco with the lettuce on there, tomato. That's really good, guys. And it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, guys. Taco Sloppy Joes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.